Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to remember 7 crystal system easily. There is a trick to remember the 7 crystal system and the Brevis lattices. In 7 crystal system, there is a close relation between the name of crystal system, age length and the angles of the crystal system. The questions asked on this topic are as usual, so that we have to remember this 7 crystal system with the help of a trick. And the trick is about a little cute boy, that is cute ortho run hexagonally many times. It means a little cute boy whose name is Ortho run on hexagonal track during playing hour. It is very easy to remember for you. So here we make a sentence to remember the 7 crystal system, that is cute ortho run hexagonally many times. So we remember one by one 7 crystal system like this: from Cu cubic, from Te tetragonal, orthorhombic from ortho, rhombohedral from run, hexagonal from hexagonally, many, that is the monoclinic, and from times triclinic. This is our 7 crystal system which is to be recalled from this single sentence. This is our trick: cute ortho run hexagonally many times. Now here a table is shown in which first column is for the crystal system, second is for the ages, and third is for the angles. So first we recall our crystal system: cute ortho run hexagonally many times. This is our sentence, this is our key. Then we recall 7 crystals from Cu, here cubic, Te tetragonal, ortho orthorhombic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, like that monoclinic and the triclinic. This is our 7 crystal system which is to be recalled from the single sentence, that is the cute ortho run hexagonally many times. Then next column, here we discuss about the ages. For cubic system, first write A is equal to B is equal to C. But for tetragonal and orthorhombic crystal system, here we replace equal to sign by the not equal to sign one by one. In case of a tetragonal system, first we replace equal to sign between B and C by not equal to sign, like this. So here we get A is equal to B but not equal to C. Then for orthorhombic crystal system, we replace A equal to B sign by not equal to sign. So here we get A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. This is for the cubic, tetragonal and the orthorhombic. Then same pattern is repeated for the next 3 crystal system, that is for rhombohedral, hexagonal and the monoclinic. So this is like this. Then for triclinic system, as the all angles and the all edges are unequal, therefore we write here A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Before write about the angles, we can first write about the angles of a triclinic system also. Alpha is not equal to beta and beta is not equal to gamma. Then we discuss about the interfacial angles. In case of cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic crystal system, all the angles are of a 90 degree. Thus we remember them easily as alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. For rhombohedral crystal system, we recall by putting a not equal to sign between angle gamma and 90 degrees. So it is like this: alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma but not equal to 90. In a hexagonal crystal system, alpha and beta are equal to 90 degree, but gamma is equal to 120 degree. For monoclinic crystal system, in case of hexagonal, gamma is equal to 120, but in a monoclinic system, gamma, alpha and gamma are equal to 90, but beta is not equal to 90. That means here we comparing this angle with a 90 degree. By using this trick, you can easily remember the 7 crystal system for longer time. To remember these 14 lattices, we recall them as we learn. Thus, first one is SCC or the primitive, second one is the BCC, third one is the FCC, and ECC, last one is the end-centered. Only a cubic unit cells are included in your syllabus, so end-centered is not studied in a detail. These 4 unit cell are given in 4 columns in this table, that is the primitive, body-centered, face-centered and the end-centered. Primitive unit cell is present in all 7 crystal system. You have to remember, primitive unit cell is present in all 7 crystal system. Then you have to remember a number. Next one, then you have to remember a number 213. 213. And finally, this is 2. Next 1. And next one is the 3. It means that in cubic crystal system, primitive, body-centered and face-centered are possible. In tetragonal, primitive and the body-centered are possible. While in orthorhombic crystal system, all 4 unit cells are possible. Then, finally, write 1 in ECC of the last but 1 in monoclinic crystal system, like here. Here we write a 1 in monoclinic system. Last but 1 means before to triclinic. In this way, we can remember and recall 7 crystal system and Brevis lattices for exam point of view. The total of the Brevis lattices becomes 14. Primitive, as the primitive unit cells are present in all 7 crystal systems, so its total becomes 7. Body centers are present only in a cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic, its total becomes 3. And face centers is present in a cubic and orthorhombic only, therefore its total becomes 2. And end center is present in orthorhombic as well as in a monoclinic, its sum becomes 2. Therefore the total of the all figure becomes 14, and this 14 is nothing but the 14 Brevis lattices. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then subscribe my YouTube channel, like the videos, share the videos and give your valuable comments. Thank you.